In today's video, I'll be showing you how to cancel your Amazon Prime free trial. Now, this is actually a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, this video will show you how to cancel any trial for Amazon Prime. However, this is especially useful for the 30-day free trial. You see, they give you 30 days to try out Amazon Prime for completely free. However, if you don't cancel before the 30 days, your plan will automatically be continued and you will be charged the current price of £8.99. So how do we actually cancel this so that we can enjoy all the benefits for up to 30 days without actually having to pay? To start with, you'll have to sign into your account, and you can do that by going up to the top right corner, going over here and then clicking sign in. Once you're signed in, it should look something like this, and we can actually go up to the top right corner again. But this time we're going to hover over the same section and go down to memberships and subscriptions. From here we can see all of our memberships and subscriptions that are currently on this account, and here we can find the free trial for our Prime membership. Now, in order to actually cancel this, we can go over to the right hand side and click Prime membership settings, and what we want to do from here is go up to the top right corner and look for where it says manage membership. If you're watching sometime in the future, this may be in a different place, but at this moment in time we can find this right here. So we can click on it and we see a few different options. Now, one of these options is actually end membership, and since we're trying to cancel our free trial, we're going to go ahead and click end membership at the bottom. From here it says you still have 29 days left to enjoy your Prime benefits. However, if we want to continue to cancel, we can go ahead and click continue to cancel, and we now get taken to this page where they tell us when our Prime benefits end. At first, they do make it seem like the Prime benefits will end the day you cancel. However, it does continue until those 30 days are up. So to actually cancel this plan, we want to make sure it says cancel over here, and then we can click the yellow button which tells you the date that it will end on. So we can click on this, and from here we've successfully cancelled, and we can answer a survey if we want to help out Amazon. So that's how you can cancel your Amazon Prime 30-day free trial. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.